Cue titles! Look! October. A new pop in a box mystery box. 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 This is quite a big box.
It's
so the
from England.
It's from England, and the England ones come faster. So the postman's just been and brought us this. I'm thinking, oh, is it a pop ride? Is it a movie moment? There's only one way to find out.
Let's open the box.
Open the box. Using the
Snips. Guys.
cutter. Oh, cutter! For those who don't know, we get the 2 for $18.99.
Don't you look?
Don't you look?
I think it's 2 pops.
Okay.
Oh, although I can't really do it on this.
Alright.
Just don't look.
Okay.
Is it pops?
Okay, you pull the first one, I'll pull the second one.
Pops. Or is it?
It's not pop.
Yeah, no, it is. It's 2 small ones. It's not a movie moment. Packaging.
Yes! The ultra rare chase bubble wrap with the giant
There's a leaflet
things.
in here as well, Sean.
Okay, don't look at the leaflet.
Don't look.
Oh, I didn't see. I didn't see.
Oh. it's a dirty fancy one. Do you think it's going to be very nice? John, your turn.
My turn.
I wonder if it's...
What are you doing? I'm not knocking.
Patrick Swayze.
Some always feel like they're in a pop protector.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, where's the front? Where's the front?
Wow.
Oh man, this feels damaged.
Is it?
Okay.
What the heck?
Oh! Oh!
What is it?
Literally the one I've been wanting forever. I know that's not a big deal to some people, but I've been wanting. She's my favourite character on Tekken. I was. I mean, you've done well as well.
No, I've got Patrick Swayze.
That's funny. We were moaning that they were just filling mystery boxes with the South Park ones, and we were due this. We were due a good one.
Mm-hmm.
Ah!
Even though they're just commons.
Yeah, but commons
Commons
are
were
wanted.
Because I thought because Johnny did send baby as well.
Yeah, but they don't often do that.
Mm-hmm.
Yes!
Excited.
Oh, that's awesome.
Should you show him to the camera? I've got a backpack.
Yeah. Yeah. The legendary Patrick Swayze. The legendary Nina Williams. That's so
I think
cool.
Patrick Swayze is more legend. It's funny how I pulled the Dirty Dancing one and then you
And I pulled the Tekken one.
Yeah. I'm
Wow.
not really bothered about having a baby anyway. I just wanted Patrick Swayze. That's exciting.
Well, we all know that Johnny doesn't go in the corner. So that's the end of that.
Are we doing prices or are we not bad?
Prices, I can already predict basically $10. $10. $10. Okay, no, we will. We will be back with prices in just a moment. Okay, so Nina Williams coming up on the price pop guide as £6. Johnny is coming up as £6 again. So
we've only got £12 worth of value.
£12 of value, yeah.
Pretty disappointing
wasn't-
on the value again.
Great, but you know that's the whole thing with mystery boxes. You either do really well, like we did with Pinocchio, or you fall a bit short, but it's the excitement.
Plus as well, if you went and just bought these separately in the shop, you'd be paying £10 for that one and probably retail price for that one. So you'd be paying more than $18.99 for them anyway if you bought them separate.
Yeah, you probably would get that
So
for tenner.
Even though that one's only worth £6, you'd have still bought it for a tenner.
Yeah, see, I wish I would have got this in York when it was about £6 from that shop, but the box was battered. And also Game, they don't know how to store their pops, because a few times I've seen this one in Game reduced, but the box was absolutely, like, it's not worth it. This is actually in really good condition. Not mint, but good.
I'm quite happy with those two.
Very happy? Absolutely. So
2 for the collection.
2 for the collection. Definitely won't be selling those. Okay, so this is the October mystery box from Pop in a Box. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Welcome. Welcome.
Bye.
Bye.